So I started with the idea of reusing some old parts from my ATX build, thinking, hey, why not save some cash? But, well, that plan quickly fell apart. Turns out, most of my components just wouldn't fit into the ITX case I had my eye on. And let me tell you, the frustration was real. In the end, the only parts I managed to reuse were my old Intel Core i5-6600K processor running at 3.5 gigahertz and the memory sticks. Everything else, yeah, I had to go shopping. I found this ASRock H370M-ITX motherboard on eBay, perfect for this compact build. But the moment I installed it into the CoolCube C24 Mini-ITX case, I realized this thing was even smaller than I expected. The old power supply? No chance it was fitting, so I went with a Corsair 1000W fully modular SFX power supply. It's powerful, compact, and just right for this build. Next challenge? Cooling. The case manufacturer recommended the Thermalright Silver Sol 110 Black Dual Tower CPU air cooler, so I grabbed that. With its dual towers and solid airflow, it looks like a great fit. I also upgraded my storage with a Lexar 1TB NM790 SSD with a built-in heatsink. Not only does it fit perfectly, but it's way faster than a standard hard drive, and it frees up some precious space inside the case. To keep the airflow smooth, I added some extra fans. With a case this small, good airflow is essential. Now, all that's left is to finish the build and hope everything works when I fire it up. Since I can't test anything until every part is installed, it's all going to be a bit of a leap of faith. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? The build isn't always smooth, but when it all comes together, it's totally worth it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the final test.